In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create the lamp support and complete the cross-halving joint. So we need a new sketch, and we're going to sketch off the front plane. R for rectangle. From the origin, we go up 100, tab 28, enter. We finish that sketch. Come in a little bit closer, we're going to extrude that. Now, from the plan you've been given, you would normally extrude that 25 millimeters, but as I discussed before in the previous tutorial, I actually made these two parts here 1 millimeter thicker, and that's just really to do with the practicalities of material preparation in the workshop. So we're going to make this 27 millimeters, but of course we can adjust that back in the workshop to the right dimension. Now it's created it over here as a body, so we want to change that into a component, and then while we're there, we'll give it its name, and we're going to call it lamp support. All right, so the next thing we need to do is create the cross-halving joint on this. So what we will do now is we just need a new sketch, and we're going to sketch off this surface here. So L for line, we're going to come across 28 millimeters, and I want that to be 25 millimeters from the bottom here. So we'll use our dimension tool. Now I think I might have already just got that correct. So I did 25, enter. Now the next one we want to be 28 millimeters from here, but we've got to be a little bit careful. I'm going to come in a little bit closer, because if we happen to draw the line right on the midpoint here, it's going to put in some constraints that could cause us a problem. So I'll just show you how we can avoid that. Let's just come right away from there, draw our line across, D for dimension, and we can select these two lines here, and I want that to be 28. There we go. All right, so I'm just going to change my view slightly. Well, actually, no, I can finish that sketch because my view is now what I want. And then I just want to extrude that out half the depth. This is our cross-halving joint that we're doing now. So again, we'll go to extrude over this surface. We're going to go minus, so half of 27 is minus 13.5. There we go, so that's done now. So now we can put it together. So we'll go to our assemble, so we can just hit our joint shortcut there. We'll come in nice and close here. Might just orbit around a little bit, just so I can get a better view on there. Come in nice and close, yep. Got our little blue line there. Come in up the top here, get our little blue line up here. And let's see how well this fits together. Looks good to me.